Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install Telegram on Android TV. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Play Store on your Android TV and install the Downloader app. Next, open Settings, go to Device Settings, then Developer Options. Select Install Unknown Apps and enable permission for Downloader. I am using a Fire TV, so the menu names may vary slightly, but the process is the same. Now, open the Downloader app and search for Telegram APK Download. Open a trusted download page, then select Get Latest Version. Scroll down and tap Download to begin downloading the APK. Once the download is complete, select Install and wait for the installation to finish. After it's installed, tap Done, then launch Telegram from your apps list. If Telegram is available in your Play Store, you can install it directly instead of using this method. That's it for this video. Thanks.